Welcome to
60, 61.
Hey guys, thank you so much for all the love and affection and all the likes and comments in my channel. 183 subscribers is a big thing for me, and somehow managing to get through to you guys. Thank you so much. Today we are at the Madras racetrack. I'm going to learn how to ride a KTM bike. So please stay tuned and hope you enjoy my content. You guys can say hi to Niranjan Anarchy Vlogs.
And if you're watching this from Patrick's channel, hi to everyone. This is an experience which every biker should actually feel. We are here at MMRT. We're gonna have a great day. Enjoy.
Awesome.
59, 71, 60, 72, 28, 79.
A big round of applause for you all for making it on time. It's a track day. It's not an orange cup. While we go all out, please go full out, raise your throttle and improve your timings. When you're 18 over here,
Overtake, you will take things easily. And as Pawan said, today is only a track day. That means you're going to practice and train hard. There's nothing to race and you're not going to lose anything today. The session has been stopped.
Okay, been called a first timer. So yeah, that's the first time in the track. I hope I do good. Team 2, the guys who have already done this before, they've already started getting their prep onto the tracks. We'll go through classes. These guys will be hitting the tracks. Lucky them. So yeah, right now we're gonna go ahead and go through the briefing, so stay tuned. So everything is gonna start now. Track day, learning how to ride the bike. I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Good. Stuff has been done here, and trust me, I have never experienced something like this in my life in terms of knowing how much I could push the bike. I tried this in Kohli Hills and I realized that I was not in a good position to push the bike the way I wanted to in Kohli Hills. That is one of the reasons why I came here, and trust me guys, you must come and visit the KTM track days. They teach you a lot, you get to learn a lot, you get to understand your bike better, and it's worth it. You can hear the sound behind me, it's exciting. Next, Patrick P80. Please subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and share my content. If you like it, I think the whole world needs to see it.